Namaste. Welcome to Sri Devi Divine Chants. So today in this learning series of Sri Lalita Sahasranama Sutram, we are going to make every attempt to understand the word by word meaning of verse 12 with Namavali 29 and 30. So let me start with the verse that is a Namavali 29 is Anakalita Sadrushya Chibuka Shri Virajita. I repeat, Anakalita Sadrushya Chibuka Shri Virajita. And it is all in one single Namavali. Okay, it is one single sentence. There is no pause anywhere. So let us try to understand this beautiful name word by word. It starts with the word Anakalita. Anakalita means beyond imagination, beyond conception. Anakalita. Sadrushya. Sadrushya means comparison or similarity. So Anakalita Sadrushya therefore means that which has no equal and cannot be compared to anything else. Anakalita Sadrushya. Chibuka Shri. Chibuka Shri Virajita. Chibuka. Chibuka means chin, chin. Shri. Shri means beauty, grace and divine splendor. Chibuka Shri Virajita. Virajita means shining brilliantly or adorned with beauty. So the meaning of this Namavali is Ma Lalita's chin shines with such extraordinary beauty and grace that nothing in the entire universe can be compared to it. When we talk about the spiritual significance, the scriptures actually often is describing the divine mother's physical beauty to reveal the deeper spiritual truths. Here, her incomparable beauty reminds us that the Supreme Divine is beyond all human comparison and understanding. Everything in this world can be measured and compared, but the Divine Mother transcends all these limitations. She is the source of all beauty, all grace and all perfection. This sacred name invites us to look beyond the external form and contemplate the infinite glory of the Divine Mother. So that was the Namavali 29, Anakalita Sadrushya Chibuka Shri Virajita. Now let's move on to the Namavali number 13. That is Kamesha Baddha Mangalya Sutra Shobhita Kandara. Kamesha Baddha Mangalya Sutra Shobhita Kandara. Now let us understand the next beautiful name. Kamesha. Kamesha refers to Lord Kameshwara, that is Lord Shiva himself. Baddha. Baddha means tied or fastened. How we fasten our belt. Fasten. Mangalya. Mangalya means auspiciousness and sacred marital blessings. Sutra. Sutra means thread. So together, Mangalya Sutra refers to the sacred marriage thread. We say no Mangal Sutra. That is the same thing. Shobhita. Shobhita means adorned or beautified. Kandara. Kandara means neck. So the entire meaning of this Namavali 30, that is Kamesha Baddha Mangalya Sutra Shobhita Kandara, means the neck of Ma Lalita shines beautifully adorned with the sacred Mangalya Sutra lovingly tied by the Lord Kameshwara himself. when we think about its spiritual significance, actually this sacred name reveals the eternal union of Shiva and Shakti. Shiva represents pure consciousness and Shakti represents divine power and creative energy. Neither is separate from the other. Together, they sustain the entire universe. The Mangalya Sutra, that is Mangal Sutra, symbolizes not merely a marital ornament but divine harmony, eternal love, and perfect unity. It reminds us that true fulfillment comes when wisdom and action, devotion and understanding work together in harmony. So together, when we think about its combined meaning, these two sacred names actually reveals a profound spiritual truth. Ma Lalita possesses beauty that is beyond all comparison and imagination. Her neck is adorned with the sacred Mangalya Sutra tied by Lord Kameshwara, symbolizing the eternal union of Shiva and Shakti. Through these names, the Divine Mother teaches us that true beauty lies in divine perfection and true strength lies in harmony and unity. Today's Namavalis, it is offering us a beautiful lesson for daily life. Dear devotees, we actually often compare ourselves with others and we try to measure our worth through the worldly standards. But the Divine Mother reminds us that every soul is unique and precious. Instead of comparison, let us cultivate devotion. Instead of competition, let us cultivate compassion. And just as Shiva and Shakti exist in perfect harmony, let us bring harmony into our thoughts, our words, our relationships and our actions. And when we live with love, respect and devotion, we actually invite the grace of Ma Lalita into our lives. Shri Matre Namaha. Dear friends, if in case you feel my video is worth listening to, if you feel that it actually gives you an inner divine vibe, if you feel that you're able to learn the Lalita Sahasranamam properly, then please do subscribe so that you don't miss out my upcoming videos. I would like to revise today this verse 12 with Namavali 29 and 30. Once again, close your eyes and just let me revise this. Anakalita sadrishya chibuka shri virajita kamesha baddha mangalya sutra shobhita kandara. And the meaning you have understood. Shri Matre Namaha. Thank you for watching. May Ma Lalita bless you all and fulfill all your desires, remove all your obstacles and burdens and all that you feel which is hurting you. May Ma Lalita bless you in abundance with everything that you aspire for. Shri Matre.